Okay, so today we're going to continue on with our discussion of functions. The first questions here, really just a review of what we've did, which relation is a function and why. We're looking at those x values. We're looking for repeats. As I look at our x values, I notice that the 2's repeat makes this not a function. We have repeating x's. An x value of 2 pairs with -8 and 11. And again, it can only pair with 1. When I look at the x values over here, -1, 0, 7, -7, 5, this is a function. There is no repeating x's. And each x pairs with 1y. We also looked last time at tables, same thing, we're focused on the x's. What's making this one not a function right here are these repeating x's here, so this is not a function. This one here is also not a function. We have repeating x's pairing with different numbers. This one is a function. There are no repeating x's here, and here the zeros repeat, making it not a function. So the correct choice here would be y. We also looked at mappings. We just want to make sure that each x value pairs with only one single. So this one here is definitely a function. It's this one here that's taking it out. So it's not a function. 6 pairs with 3 and -2. Here's a problem here. 4 pairs with -1 and 1. And here's the problem over here. 10 pairs with 14 and -3. We have one more thing to kind of cover. It's called the vertical line test. This will have us looking at a graph. And basically, if you can draw a vertical line through 2 pieces of your graph, then it is not a function. It means the x value here pairs with more than one y value here and here. So kind of look at this piece here. I actually have a vertical line to move. So as I take it and I move it, I just got to make sure that it only goes through one dot at a time. So this one definitely does pass. So this one is a function. And it passes the vertical line test. Let's take a look at the next one. If I move my vertical line, moving the graphs. If I get to my vertical line and I move them, I can see in several spots here that it passes through the function in more than one spot. So not a function. And the reason would be fails vertical line test. And we'll just abbreviate that VLT. All right, so again, let's take our vertical line and kind of move it across this function here. You want to make sure it only touches one piece at a time, which it does. So this one is a function. Passes vertical line test. And we've got one more. So I take this piece over here and going through each dot, you got to make sure that it only passes through one at a time. So far we're good. Then I get to this spot right here. As soon as you hit one spot where it hits more than one, it is not a function. And it fails the vertical line test. All right, so on the next pages, we have 9 examples for you to go through, answer keys in Schoology, give them a try. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. All right, guys, bye.